How to contact Facebook customer service. If you want to contact Facebook customer service, either you want to report someone or something on your Facebook account or your Facebook app, or you want to ask for help for them whenever you want to locate something or a feature that you no longer see on your Facebook app or Facebook account. Now, in order for you to locate or contact the Facebook customer service, all you have to do is to tap on main menu right here and scroll down until you see help and support right here. You just have to tap on this arrow down button right here. And if you want to report a problem, all you have to do is to tap on report problem right here. And if you want to ask for help to them, in order for you to locate a feature that you can see, all you have to do is to tap on help center right here. Now, in order for you to contact Facebook customer service, it's usually about a problem. So tap on report a problem right here and okay that. Now you just have to shake your phone and tap on report problem right here. Tap on include right here. And now you can pretty much describe the issue that you have right now and send an attachment from your phone in order for them to fix that. So that's how to contact Facebook customer service. Hope we help.